Hello, my name is Ceci and welcome to Ceci Net, a channel that talk about tech and tech news, tech reviews, product reviews, everything tech. I'm here for you. So remember, we're on YouTube. You can follow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. So it's a platform that talk about tech stuff, and we do this just for you to share knowledge, chat among ourselves, and get enlightened in the world of tech, which currently surround us. Everything we do is basically tech. So today, what am I going to be talking about? I'm going to talk about the top 5 tech trends for the next decades. Yes, in the next 10 years, the kind of tech that is going to be distracting the world of technology. So the very first on my list is process optimization and visualization. What we're going to be talking about, which involve robots, automations, 3D printing, and other technology that perform tasks that used to be done by humans. So you can see at a vehicle manufacturing plant where a robot is assembling about 3,000 to 10,000 set of cars in a few minutes. A large format printing, digital printing in like within seconds, large quantum of printing has been done, which normally used to be the forte for human beings. Potentially, this technology, which is the automation, visualization, is going to distract all these human labor and possibly kick them out of the job. Vehicle assembling plant powered by robots, a 3D video printing of a house, like an architect, and it can give you a very nice 3D printing of it at a presentation, get a fair idea what kind of the outlook of the houses, and the image of drone delivering a package. Yes, these are all the things that is done by automation that is going to be distracting the world of work in the next few years. And so the second one on my list is the future of connectivity, which involve 5G and Internet of Things. These technologies are very essential for the day-to-day activities of whatever we do these days. All right, and 5G is already here. Internet, internet, Internet of Things is also already here. What the 5G is going to do to the Internet of Things is that it's going to make it a bit more faster than it already is on 4G. That should tell you where we are going from here when it comes to the future of connectivity. And this Internet of Things and 5G connectivity is going to enable new application and experience which could boost productivity, efficiencies of various sectors such as mobility, which is talk about transportation systems, healthcare, and education. Education whereby you can sit somewhere in Budapest and take a course in MIT open class, or you can sit somewhere in Shenzhen in China and take a course at Stanford. You can sit somewhere in Accra, Ghana and take a course at McGill's University in Canada. These are what is going to be powering what is to come in the next 10 years. Some of it are already here, but it's going to be a bit more improved than it has already been. So, as I said, we will be taking a look at something like self-driving car, a perfect example, video telemedicine, a perfect example, and a smartwatch monitoring your health, perfect example of what is to come when it comes to the world of connectivity. Okay, so let's move to the other one, which is pretty much already making inroad heavily in the industry already. Artificial intelligence come to mind, top of the mind awareness will be chat GPT. It's an artificial intelligence, the kind of thing it's doing. Let's not talk about it, chat GPT, bad from Google, kind of thing is doing. Bing from Microsoft, the kind of thing is doing. And a whole lot of other platforms that you can get access to some of this AI prompt generating, answer, questioning, whatever it is, applications that is helping to change the world of work totally, totally. And these things, artificial intelligence basically means that advanced algorithm, large amount of data that can generate insight predictions and a whole lot for the world of work and industry, and can give you a recommendation as to which path is the right path to take going forward. And it helps in finance, e-commerce, and entertainment as well. And these are some of the things that artificial intelligence is doing. Let's just take a look at something like facial recognition. It's artificial intelligence. uh, Video chat box is an artificial intelligence. uh, a graphic image of big data analysis is artificial intelligence. These are some of the things that artificial intelligence is already doing, and it's going to be a bit more prominent in the next 10 years to come. So let's get to metaverse. Metaverse is like physical world meeting the virtual world. You can so it's going to have an impact on education, socialization, entertainment, and a whole lot of things. So I just so these things, it will enable new form of entertainment, realization, and e-commerce. Yes, that's what it's going to do to the world of entertainment and e-commerce and socialization. So a person somewhere wearing a headset and interacting with a virtual environment, like you go to a movie and you're supposed to put on headset to be part of the movie. You are sitting somewhere in your movie theater, you are dodging bullets in the movie. Those are some, even though some of these experiences are generally popping, it makes you a bit more closer to the action, which of course you are not really are, but that's what virtual reality does to you. And also a concert experience where maybe you are sitting far back at the concert, but you put on a virtual reality and you are as if you're in front of the performer, you are on even on stage with the performer or your favorite musician. All this are metaverse. And also digital avatars and image generating stuff. All these things are all metaverse and stuff. Okay, so the last one, and okay, so when you go to a concert, if you have ever have an experience with a metaverse, drop your comment and tell us what exactly your experience is and was at the concert or at the movie theater when you try on a metaverse. And the last but not the least, which is of course my favorite, is quantum computing, where a large amount of complex stuff will be done. The basic platform for quantum computing is quantum physics. Yes. And so this is the next big thing in the world of computing. Trust me. And it's my favorite personally. And I want to see the outcome of what it is we are going to be expecting the next 10 years when in terms of quantum computing. Basically, what it does is perform complex calculations that are beyond capabilities of classical computers and solve some of the most challenging problems in science, engineering, cryptography, medicine, just mention it. And it's going to be a mind-blowing experience if you ask me. So a video of quantum computing in action, you see how quantum computing will be doing the process, the stages at which they are now, and as I said, is the next big thing in the world of world of computing. So let everybody get to know that these are the 5 top tech trends that are going to be distracting the world of or the ecosystem of tech in the next 10 years. So from my list, the first one is process automation and visualization. The second is the future of connectivity. The third, which is artificial intelligence. The fourth, which is the metaverse. And the very last is quantum computing. Whatever your observations, your whatever you read about some of these things, remember to put your comment there. Let's share in the knowledge. Don't keep it to yourself. We are here to learn. So drop your comment there, put your concerns there. If you have ever come across any of these technologies already, drop it there and share your concern as well. If you have any other question, if you have any answers to some of the presentation I just did, feel free to drop your comment. Remember, the channel is Sesame Sissy. We are on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. So subscribe to the channel Sesame Sissy. Remember, be like the salt of the earth. Never lose your taste. Radical boldness. I'm out.